The Honda Pilot has consistently ranked among America's most trusted three-row SUVs, and the upcoming 2026 model year promises to elevate this reputation significantly. Expected to arrive at dealerships in late 2025, the refreshed Pilot combines Honda's proven reliability formula with modern innovations that address current market demands. From enhanced off-road capabilities to potential hybrid powertrains, this updated SUV represents a thoughtful evolution rather than a revolutionary redesign. Here are 6 compelling reasons why the 2026 Honda Pilot deserves your consideration. Number 6. Enhanced Trail Sport off-road capability. The Trail Sport variant continues to distinguish itself as one of the most capable three-row crossovers for adventure-seeking families. The rugged Trail Sport trim comes with an extra inch of ground clearance, positioning it favorably against competitors who often sacrifice capability for comfort. The 2026 iteration builds upon this foundation with refined off-road tuning that maintains the Pilot's reputation for daily drivability while expanding weekend adventure potential. The intelligent all-wheel drive system remains a standout feature, automatically adjusting torque distribution based on traction needs. This technology works seamlessly with the Trail Sport's all-terrain tire package and protective underbody skid plates, creating a comprehensive off-road solution. What sets the Trail Sport apart from more hardcore off-road vehicles is its ability to transition effortlessly from mountain trails to school pickup lanes without compromising ride quality or interior refinement. Standard equipment includes practical adventure-ready features like a trailer hitch and full-size spare tire, eliminating the need for costly aftermarket additions. The available 110-volt power outlet provides versatility for camping equipment or tailgating activities, making the Trail Sport equally suited for family adventures and daily responsibilities. Number 5. Anticipated hybrid powertrain. Option Industry Analysis suggests Honda may introduce a hybrid variant for 2026, addressing growing consumer demand for improved fuel efficiency in the three-row segment. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine combined with electric motors could deliver significantly better mileage, with an estimated fuel economy of 30 to 35 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving. This represents a substantial improvement over current fuel economy figures and positions the Pilot competitively against hybrid rivals. The potential hybrid system would likely deliver enhanced performance alongside improved efficiency, following Honda's established approach of using electric assistance to boost overall system output. Current market trends indicate that families increasingly prioritize fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability, making a hybrid Pilot a logical addition to Honda's lineup. For buyers preferring conventional powertrains, the 2026 Pilot will have a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission sends power to standard FWD or available AWD. This dual powertrain strategy ensures the Pilot appeals to diverse buyer preferences while maintaining Honda's reputation for reliability and performance. Number 4. Refined interior design and functionality. The Pilot's cabin continues to prioritize practical family needs while incorporating premium materials and thoughtful storage solutions. Space utilization remains exceptional, with generous accommodations for both passengers and cargo. The second-row bench configuration with removable center section allows families to optimize seating arrangements based on specific needs, switching between 8-passenger capacity and 7-passenger comfort with walk-through access. Third-row accessibility and comfort receive particular attention in the 2026 model, addressing common complaints about cramped rear seating in competing vehicles. Adult passengers can manage shorter journeys comfortably, while children enjoy adequate space for longer trips. Cargo capacity remains class competitive at 18.6 cubic feet behind the third row, expanding to 87 cubic feet with rear seats folded. Storage solutions throughout the cabin reflect Honda's understanding of family dynamics. Oversized cup holders accommodate today's larger beverage containers, while multiple door pockets and console compartments provide organization for personal items. The focus on durable, easy-to-clean materials ensures the interior maintains its appearance despite heavy family use, while premium trim levels add sophistication without compromising functionality. Number 3. Advanced technology integration. The 2026 Pilot incorporates meaningful technology upgrades that enhance both convenience and safety. Standard technology includes a 7.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Higher trims offer a 9.0-inch display and additional amenities. The enhanced infotainment system promises improved responsiveness and graphics quality, addressing common complaints about previous generations. Wireless connectivity becomes standard across the lineup, eliminating cable management issues that plague many family vehicles. The integration of wireless charging pads further reduces interior clutter while keeping devices powered during longer journeys. These seemingly small improvements significantly enhance daily usability for busy families. Honda's commitment to safety technology continues with refined driver assistance systems. Blind spot monitoring receives expanded coverage area, while adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance operate more naturally and intuitively. Higher trim levels add comprehensive parking assistance with front and rear sensors, essential features for navigating crowded parking lots and tight spaces. The available Wi-Fi hotspot capability transforms the Pilot into a mobile office or entertainment center, particularly valuable for families with teenagers or business travelers who need constant connectivity. Premium trims may include digital instrument clusters and head-up displays, projecting essential information directly into the driver's line of sight for improved safety and convenience. Number 2. Proven V6 engine reliability. While automotive trends favor turbocharged 4-cylinder engines, Honda maintains its commitment to the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 that has earned widespread respect for durability and smooth operation. The current Honda Pilot comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth power delivery across all driving conditions. This powertrain combination avoids the complexity and potential reliability concerns associated with smaller turbocharged engines, which can feel strained under heavy loads, typical of 3-row SUV duty. The V6's linear power delivery provides confident performance, whether towing trailers, climbing mountain grades, or carrying full passenger and cargo loads. Long-term reliability data strongly favors Honda's V6 engines, with many examples exceeding 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. This track record provides peace of mind for families planning to keep their vehicles for extended periods, particularly important given current vehicle prices and financing costs. The engine's reputation for durability also supports strong resale values, protecting buyers' investments over time. Number 1. Exceptional overall value. The 2026 Honda Pilot's value proposition extends beyond initial purchase price to encompass long-term ownership costs, reliability, and feature content. Prices starting around $39,000 to $40,500 position the Pilot competitively against key rivals while offering comprehensive standard equipment and proven reliability. Mid-level trims like the EXL provide optimal feature content without excessive cost, including leather-appointed seating, power liftgate, wireless connectivity, and comprehensive safety system. This trim level typically represents the sweet spot for most families, offering premium amenities without luxury vehicle pricing. Honda's warranty coverage includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, providing additional value protection. Combined with Honda's established reputation for reliability and strong resale values, the Pilot represents a sound long-term investment for families prioritizing dependable transportation. The potential addition of hybrid powertrains further enhances value through improved fuel efficiency, potentially offsetting higher initial costs through reduced operating expenses. For families covering significant annual mileage, the fuel savings could be substantial over typical ownership periods. When compared to competitors like the Hyundai Palisade, Kia Telluride, and Toyota Grand Highlander, the Pilot consistently offers competitive features, proven reliability, and strong dealer support networks. These factors combine to create compelling value that extends well beyond the initial purchase decision. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.